Here, coming to you live, gardening in the Torrance gardening zone. Today we'll be talking about weeds, grass coming up in your garden. Let me show you how you can help that out. So, of course, first thing is to garden. You're gonna need to spend time in the garden. So, I spend about 2 hours a day just picking the grass out of the garden.
What tool do you prefer to pick grass?
I mean, I use my hands, but if some people rather use tools, I use this. It looks like a snake tongue, but all you do, find the root and you stick it in, and it comes right out. But I find it quicker to just pull with your hands. Get my face. And then let me show you something easier that could help you.
Why don't you show all your plants?
I will. But let me show you what else we got in here. So this is weed prevention. It's 100% natural corn gluten, all cornmeal. They use it in fillers and dog food. The only thing that this is you have to start your seedlings, how I have them here, in either rock wool or seedling pot, because this stuff will pump the seeds from not germinating in your garden. So if you want to plant just seeds in your garden, then you wouldn't want to use this stuff. But if you use this stuff, you could do transplants. So see how these are ready? You just pull them out, put them in your garden because they're not seeds. And then, and here we have, we're gonna start talking about plants. We got the black cobra, and then we got basil and beets.
Where do you usually get all these plants from?
Amazon. I get them from mainly Armstrong Garden. Shout out to them as well. I have pepper plants. I have green onion, my soil mix, and then I'm gonna bring you along out here. We'll go garden by garden. We have citronella that keeps mosquitoes away. We got habaneros. We got bell peppers. We got cherry tomatoes and husky red tomatoes. Avocado, Hawaii plants, and then we bring you along over here. We have premature bamboo. We have some bamboo starters here. And we come along here. And
Don't forget the palm trees.
yeah, we got these nice clean palms, which grow fantastic here in Torrance. And then first let's talk about the mulch that I have in here. Help prevent grass. I laid the grass cover that I showed you guys in the video. I lay that down, and then I have this cedar mulch that I use. And I have Boston Picklers, Space Master, Market More, Wisconsin Picklers, and Burpless cucumbers. Those are all my pickles. Then I have bush beans all set up on a triangular cucumber trellis.
Are you able to grow all these plants without the trellis?
No, because let me show you a great example of that. Come on close. As you can see, you have these little vine things you see here, right?
Yeah.
And they're over there. These need to climb up. These will soon climb up these trellis and drop the cucumbers. If not, they'll just get bushy and the cucumbers will get flat. As you guys may be wondering, why is there a hole in your garden? Well, that's because I keep a container here for bugs that I put beer in. And the beer will help catch the bugs and kill them. So, of course, it's empty right now because I just emptied it out. So we bring you along over here. It's getting cleaned out in a couple
This is
days.
a future garden.
Yeah,
Got
this
some
will be
milkweed.
in the next video.
If you guys like caterpillars and butterflies, I would prefer
Milkweed.
it.
And then over here, next video, this will be all cleaned out, fresh new plants and whatever. Come over here. We have our Easter lilies hiding down in here. We got our cactus. We got our zucchini. We got our bush beans. And more zucchini. We bring you along over here. We got our nice clean palms. We have our mint and all of our lettuces and strawberries. And then over there, as you can see, it's kind of dirty because we're cleaning out the garage. But we have rosemary. And then now we take you back in the greenhouse. Did I really explain the garden to you?
No.
Okay. Was that the last video? So this is Miracle Grow. Just garden soil. I find it way cheaper than other stuff. It's made with compost and moisture control. Lots of different compost. It helps keep the roots nice and strong. And then the if you guys are wondering how to keep your garden starters, if you guys are new to gardening, I would highly intelligently tell you guys to buy a nice greenhouse. I got this one off of Amazon.
Link in the description below. We'll show it to you guys.
And I went to the hydroponics store. Come on in. And I got these rock wool and these seed starters. Or you could also use, these are called Jiffy pots. They're just cardboard pots, so when they're ready to be transplanted, they could just be put in the garden. And then I have thermometer, of course, to keep track of the humidity and the heat in here. I like to keep it at 80 degrees in here. Keeps everything nice, cool, warm. I keep a lantern in here at night, so that it helps keep the photosynthesis in the leaves in here. And then I have basil, radishes, green onion growing, and more zucchini. And then I took a transplant from the tomatoes. And actually those little hairs that you see on the tomatoes, which I'll show you in a second, actually turns into roots. And then I just got this one after a friend of mine. It's a cobra pepper. And then got my soil mix, green onions in there. Oh yeah, let me check that out. It's just a compost with some nutrients in, which I'll show you guys in the next video. And I mix it up with water. It turns into like a nice brownie mix. Let me show you guys what I was talking about, the tomato hairs. Come on over here. As you can see, come on down here. You guys see those little hairs on the tomatoes right here? And then those will soon turn into roots. Thank you guys for watching.